far below the breathing stars so high, where the universe hums a lullaby. Tikko lived where the brass ribs sigh, in a cradle of cobs where the moments fly. He polished the hours till they gleam, stacked the dawns like a silver dream, set the world spinning soft and slow in the hum of time's eternal flow. But some nights when the lanterns dim, he felt a spark deep within, like a page that the wind would blow, a minute lost in the cosmic glow. So he left the gears behind, stepped into the velvet night, following a thread so light, moonlit dust guiding his side. He went to see the clocks he'd known, watched them breathe where the love has grown. Time was not the gears he'd spun, but the stories under the sun. The first clock stood tall and gold, warm and patient its face would hold. People gathered like pilgrims bold, waiting for its bronze heart to unfold. Tikko saw a man smile so true, straightening his coat like some morning dew. A moment small yet bright and clear, enough to warm his first so near. At a crystal clock, laughter rang, a girl's joy like a chime it sang. Her palm pressed to the glass so bright, melting winter's hush with light. So he left the years behind, stepped into the velvet night, following a thread so light, moonlit dust getting inside. He went to see the clocks he'd known, watched them breathe where the love had grown. Time was not the gears he'd spun, but the stories under the sun. Then came the quiet hour so still, a child whispered soft and real, look mama, the time is here. And Tikko felt it crystal clear. Time was not the work he'd done, but a lantern passed for everyone, a pulse, a story warm and bright, a moment felt in the softest light. So he left the gears behind, stepped into the velvet night, following a thread so light, moonlit dust guiding his side. He went to see the clocks he'd known, watched them breathe where the love has gone. Time was not the gears he'd spun, but the stories under the sun. So he left the gears behind, stepped into the velvet night, following a thread so light, moonlit dust guiding his side. He went to see the clocks he'd known, watch them breathe where the love has gone.